All right, just from filling in the frequency table, now we come to cumulative frequency table, right? So now we are just getting the data, okay? We're just getting the data. For the max, we just copy the whole thing for the max, and for the frequency, we get this, and then we come up with our cumulative frequency. All right, so we have this. So our max are these, we just got in those, and our frequencies are these. So for our frequency table, the first one, it will be 2. We'll move with the number which is on top, then say 4 plus 2, it is 6. 5 plus 6, it is 11. 7 plus 11, it is 18. Then we say 18 plus 13, you have 31. You have 31. All right, then 31 plus 12. 31 plus 12, you have 43. Then we say 10 plus 43, you have 53. Then we say 5 times 53 is 58. And 2 plus 58, it's the 60. So down here you should get a total number of the scores. Yeah. All right. And the work continues. So a group of 18-year-olds were asked by their peer educator how many girlfriends each has. The results are shown below. There we have all 3, 1, 4, 5, 5. Yeah. So the smallest is 1 and the largest number is 6, or the biggest number is 6. All right, so we have been asked to construct a frequency table for this data and do not group the data. So now how do we get to answer such a question? Okay, so we are going to come up with a frequency table, and for frequency table, in the first part, we're going to write numbers of girlfriends. So the smallest is 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the biggest number is 6. All right. Then what we are going to do now is how many have one girlfriend? All right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So 7. 7. So we're going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for our frequency, we have 7. Right? Then we come. How many have 2 girlfriends? How many have 2 girlfriends? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow. So it's important you check your work, make sure that you didn't miss out any data. All right, check out. All right, so we have 12 for those who have 2 girlfriends. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We are 12. Let me check again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we are going to indicate on our tally. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12. And those who have 3 girlfriends, have 1, 2, 3. All right, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, or there are only 9. Okay, so we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9. Those who have 4 girlfriends, we back again. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, all right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did we miss any? No, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Yeah, 8. So we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are 5 girlfriends. 5 girlfriends. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4. All right. 5, 6. Okay. 7, 8, 9. There are 9. So 9, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9. Those who have 6 girlfriends, you have 6 girlfriends, you have 1 right here, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are only 5. That's it. So we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. That's how we get to write a frequency table. Then the next video we're now going to come up with a cumulative frequency table, as this video is becoming lengthy. So we're now going to look at the cumulative frequency table. So we're going to get this right. All right, this is now cumulative frequency. So for us to find the cumulative frequency, we have number of girlfriends, frequency, and cumulative frequency. So for the first one, we start with 7. So say 12 plus 7 is 19. Then 9 plus 19, we have 28. Then say 8 plus 28, you have 36. Then 9 plus 36, you have 45. And 5 plus 45, we have 50. So that is our cumulative frequency table. So this gives us the total number of the 18-year-olds boys that were asked about their number of girlfriends. So that's how you come up with a cumulative frequency. Right, so we looked at the grouped data, right? And from this group data, we're now going to find the relative cumulative frequency, because we found cumulative frequency and we also found the frequency. All right, so I'm referring to this work that we have already done and made a video of that. All right, so we found the frequency table, then found the cumulative frequency table, then now we are finding the relative cumulative frequency. So we are using the same data. So I've gotten this information and that. Remember, we also indicate the data that we collected. All right, so how do you find the relative cumulative frequency? So what we are going to do is we are going to be dividing with this frequency over the total number, okay, the summation, right, the summation of our frequency, all right? So we are going to say 2 over 60, because we have 60 there. Then we say 6 over 60, then 11 over 60, 18 over 60, 31 over 60, 43 over 60, then we have 53 over 60, and 58 over 60, and we have 60 over 60, right? So quickly, let's begin to compute what is 2 over 60. So this information is very important, especially if you are trying to draw a relative cumulative frequency curve, right? So the information is so useful when drawing a relative cumulative frequency curve. So we say 2 with over 60. We have in decimal point, we have 0.03, right, into dp. So we have 0.03. Good. Then what about 6 out of 20 out of 60? 6 out of 60. 6 over 60. What are we getting? In decimals, we have 0.1. So here, right here, we have 0.1. What about 11 out of 60? We say 11. If you want, you can just divide by 60. It is to work out the same. So we are going to have 0.18. 0.18. Then we say 18 out of 60. 18 out of 60. What are we getting? In decimals, we have 0.3. 0.3. Then we have 31 out of 60. 31 out of 60. All right, and in decimals, we are going to get 0.52. All right, 0.52. Then we have 43 out of 60. 43 out of 60. If you want, you can go with divide. We are getting 0.72. 0.72. It's the same thing if we were to do 43 out of 60. We still get that 0.72, right? Then we have 53 divided by 60, so that we just get the decimal direct, 0.88. 0.88. Then 58 out of 60, 58 divided by 60, what are we getting? It's 9.7, 0.9.7, 0.97. Then 6 out of 60 out of 60 is 1. This is our relative cumulative frequency table, and that's how you go. We are back again. Look at this one. So we are still finding the relative cumulative frequency. So for this one, we are getting the data that we have just already presented on the cumulative frequency table. So now this information is what I've transferred to this paper. So that we are trying to find the relative cumulative frequency, right? So remember, these are our number of girlfriends, that one. The frequency table is this one. Cumulative frequency table, we have that. Then we are finding relative cumulative frequency. So it is out of 50. That's our summation of the frequency, all right? So we're going to say 7 out of 50 is equal to 19 out of 50 is equal to, then 28 out of 50 is equal to 36 out of 50 is equal to, then we have 45 out of 50 is equal to, then we have 50 out of 50 is equal to, right? What is 7 out of 50? So it's a 7 divided by 50. We are getting 0.14. So we have 0.14. Then what is 19, right? 19 divided by 50. All right, we are getting 0.38. 0.38. What about 28 out of 50? We have 28 divided by 50. We are getting 0.56. 0.56. Then we have 36 out of 50. 36 divided by 50. We are getting 0.72. 0.72. Then 45 divided by 50. We are getting 0.9. 0.9, and of course 50 out of 50 divided by 50, it's 1. And that's how you find the relative cumulative frequency, and you can present that on the cumulative frequency curve. And we are going to talk about cumulative frequency curve in our next lesson. For now, thank you so much.